our video. Today we will make a video on vegan oatmeal cookies. These cookies are a testament to the magic of plant-based baking, offering all the comforting flavors and textures you love in a classic oatmeal cookie while adhering to a vegan lifestyle. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1½ cups rolled oats, 1 cup all-purpose flour. Use a gluten-free flour blend, and a ½ teaspoon baking soda and ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, a 4 teaspoon salt, 1½ cup coconut oil, melted or use vegetable oil, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and 4 cup granulated sugar, and 4 use a natural sweetener, 1 flax egg tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, and ½ cup raisins or vegan chocolate chips optional. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a small bowl, mix the ground flaxseed with water and let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. This will be your flax egg, which acts as a binding agent in place of traditional eggs. Here, a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the rolled oats, all-purpose flour or gluten-free flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and salt. In a separate large bowl, mix the melted coconut oil, brown sugar, granulated sugar, flax egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until a dough forms. If desired, fold in raisins or vegan chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. You can flatten them slightly with the back of a spoon if you prefer thinner cookies. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.